Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to show you handy trick for Wix users, and that is how to duplicate pages on your website. Duplicating pages can save you time and ensure consistency in your site's design. But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below, and do not forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest contents. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and I'm grateful for your continued support. Alright, let's dive right into it. Okay, so duplicating pages in Wix. How do we do it? It's easy. Before you can duplicate pages in Wix, you might wanna go to the website. I'm sorry, web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but if you have like Brave, Safari, and Firefox, it doesn't matter because Wix.com is compatible. All you gotta do is sign up, create an account. It's free and it's simple. Once you have created your account, log in using your credentials. Okay. And when you are about to duplicate a page, you might want to know that it's a time saving feature, especially when you need to create multiple pages with similar layouts or content. So it eliminates the need to start from scratch to each page, right? So it's duplicating pages ensures a consistent design and layout throughout your website, and it's essential for maintaining a professional and cohesive look across your site. Consistency in design, color schemes, and branding elements is crucial for building and reinforcing your brand identity. Duplicating pages helps ensure your brand consistency. It's a user-friendly feature that does not require advanced technical skills, and anyone can duplicate pages with a few clicks, making it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. And also when you need to replicate pages quickly, such as for event, product launch or special promotion, duplicating pages streamlines the process. If you have pages with similar content but need to make slight variations, such as for different product listings, it's much faster to duplicate and modify an existing page than to build new pages from scratch. For example, you're expanding your website with new sections or categories. Duplicating existing pages and then adapting them to the new content is faster than creating entirely new pages, okay? But mindful, while duplicating pages provides a consistent starting point, it doesn't limit your ability to customize each duplicated page according to its unique requirements. So, what we're gonna do is go to your site, okay? Right here. So once you are there, you might wanna go here, okay? Pages and menu, right? Okay. So when you hover to about me section, all right? See here, right? What you can do is simply duplicate, right? Right here. Go to the about section and duplicate. That easy. Always remember, guys, when duplicating pages on Wix, while it may be a practical feature that streamlines website creation and maintenance, it is also particularly valuable for maintaining designs consistency, saving time, and reducing the risk of errors when managing large websites or when creating pages with similar contents or layout. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.